Okay, so this is episode 3 in my Tool Time series. And first up is my Unimat Maier MK2 Mill that I acquired recently. And it's pretty rare as a standalone mill. It's made in the 1980s. It's made in Austria. It came with 3 end mills, a chuck, a collet, and it's in virtually mint condition. So I bought this little table that it's sitting on. I'll back up here. It's an Ohio forged table, and I bought that at a garage sale for $5. Put a little shelf on it, and it's a good table for the mill. So starting to learn how to do some milling, and a nice value, not very expensive, and should give me lots of opportunity to practice and learn milling and make replacement parts for steam engines. So I'll come back in real quick and we'll get a close-up. It's got a really nice bench on it, nice, easy to use handles. It's easily adjustable. You can set the configuration of the belts from a 450 to an 800 to a 1900 setting. So yeah, that's the mill. So we're going to move over here to another table. We're going to look at some other stuff that I got. Be back in a minute. Okay, well, this is the second batch of stuff that I've acquired recently, and first off is a mint new old stock. That's a machine vise for a Unimat 5 lathe. And then you've got a pair of Mitutoyo calibrators, and I really upgraded here. I went for a very high-end set. Behind that, we have an ER25 collet set that I got off of Amazon. And that's the ER25 is what fits in the new Unimat Maier MK2 Mill. And then you've got a rotating 4-inch, I believe it's a 4-inch vise. Again, it was an Amazon purchase. So yeah, that's all the new purchases here for since my last episode 2 of Tool Time. So we got one more little set of things to show you over at my desk, and I'm gonna go over there and reconfigure the camera, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is the third batch of things that I've acquired. Right here in the middle, the file, these 2 pairs of tweezers, this awl and screwdriver. I call this, what can you buy at a garage sale, or for my friends in the UK, a boot sale for $1. So I acquired all these right here, this set, for $1. I really like this little screwdriver. It's got a real nice brass collar around it. And when I was cleaning it up, there was all this stuff, and it turns out it's writing, and around the screwdriver shaft, it says "Made in USA" engraved on it. You don't see that kind of work anymore. 2 pairs of tweezers, you can never have enough. A real nice big set, and a little one with a stop on it in the middle. So those are nice. And this is just a file. The file was rusty, of course, and I've cleaned it up. I bought these 2 pair of calipers at another garage sale for either, I think, $0.25. And then, I love my Starrett, so I got a new Starrett little tool, and it is the Starrett number S162, and it is their pin vise set. And these are really nice. really high quality, made in the USA. So yeah, that's the pin vise set. So, well, that wraps it up for episode number 3 of Tool Time. And, you know, I'll be back soon with, I'm sure, another batch of tools. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.